Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous sessions, we have completed the unit 1. In this series, I am starting today how to create programs in Python. This is our unit 2. So today I am going to explain how you can take input from the user and how you can give output to the user. So first we'll understand what is the meaning of getting input or getting user input and displaying this as a required output in our program. So I have created a untitled file here. And here you just have to declare some variable that we have learned before. So for example, I'm just giving value 5 here, and y as a string I'm just taking a variable str1 is equals to, say, for example, let's take my name. So you can use either single quote or double quote, that doesn't matter. So we know that you can print a string value that you will be give in this compile time. So let's say, for example, I'm just giving your name Python prg04.python. Okay, so we know that in program we can give number as per our requirement, right? As I have given here 5 and str, if I give str here, so definitely this Athar will be printed on screen. What if I want to give any input in the console? Now what is console? While we do programming or while we take input from the user, this particular window is known as console window. So when you will run the program, this window can be used as console. In command prompt, you know that this is our command prompt. So if you are giving some input in this particular command prompt, this is your console where you will give, well, you will provide input. So we are actual users in a computer system and we have to provide input. So that not every time we have to print 5, sometimes we have to change value as per our requirement. So that is the need of giving values in a program. So we must learn how to get input from the user. So that's very simple. You just have to place a function known as input function, and it has 2 to 3 things. Number 1, it is showing here on your screen. You can see first you have to provide a prompt. If you want to give a prompt here, just put it in the bracket that enter any number or input any number. This is the first thing you have to do that, and then after you have to if you want to give any some other thing, you can give here. Otherwise there is no need to place anything in this syntax. Just write the input function and write your prompt what you want to do. Now I am going to run this program, and this program will run smoothly, and you can see here that prompt is coming here. It is instructing us that please enter a number here. So definitely we have to put some number here. So before it was printing 5. Why printing 5? Because we have given the 5 in the compile time. That was compile time. Now this is runtime that I have given 77. So that 77 will be value of, it will become a value of your variable x, and it is printed here. So this is how you can take input from the user. In the same manner, what will happen if I'll run this program again? We haven't specify any data type for this. If I will provide here, say for example, I am providing here Athar. So you can see here Athar is also printed as an output. So input is printed in the black color, printed in the black, and the input and your output, what we have printed over here, is printed in the blue screen. So this is the difference in colors as well. So I hope that you have learned how you can get input from the user and how you can operate that particular input as per your requirement. Even you can use as for condition, like if x is less than or greater than 0. That we are going to learn this in further classes, but right now I'm just telling you that this is the way you can get input for your user. So I think this topic is enough to tell you this very short point how to getting input from this. So I'm not going further in this topic. In the next video I will begin with control statements, understanding branching, looping, etc. See you in the next video. Thank you.